Today on Nate's Interactive Auto, Lucas Oil Stabilizer versus Liqui moly ceratec. Guys, this was Battle of the Titans. Both of these juggernauts have a lot of great claims, many the same. Protection of the engine, metals, and reduction in wears, uses on transmissions, reduction of heat. Well, we performed a wear test and a cold pour test, and we have the proof right here. Now, as for the Liqui moly ceratec, it contains hydrotreated light paraffinic. The Lucas Oil Stabilizer, it contains hydrotreated bright base stock. So, which one performed the best? Well, as you can see in this cold pour test, I definitely have to give the edge to the Liqui moly. But when it comes down to the wear test, guys, I mean, it was a nail biter. Extremely close. I mean, we definitely had a winner, but it was as close as you could possibly get. And after looking into the Liqui moly, hearing they can claim to contain zinc and some of these other ingredients, well, guys, I was really shocked. But now the Lucas Oil Stabilizer, this claims to help keep oil out of the combustion chamber, because this thick oil that they're using, it actually, yes, it affects the viscosity, but it does keep the engine oil from breaking down as fast. As with the Liqui moly, yes, it did help in the cold startup initially. As far as the viscosity goes, it moves a little faster. But now for the Lucas Oil Stabilizer, it seems to stick to engine parts. It's really sticky. If you've ever seen this stuff, I mean, it's incredible how sticky this stuff is. You do not want to get it on anything other than your engine, and even at that. Now, it made a huge difference using this stuff. And yes, it's probably not going to help out with your fuel mileage. The Liqui moly claims to help out with that. And we did see a good addition with the fuel mileage increase on the Liqui moly, but the Lucas, yeah, not so much. It was actually a reduction. Now, however, I believe this is more of a long-term situation, so that they claim that yes, it helps out long-term. The Liqui moly, it seems to play to that as well, a long-term situation, but the Liqui moly does actually help right from the start. I mean, yes, somewhat of a minimal reduction, but nevertheless, it must be counted as we performed in our vehicle on the same road, the same amount of miles, and so forth, so on. And we've done that test with Marvel Mystery Oil, Lucas upper cylinder lubricant, mostly fuel injector cleaners and fuel cleaners such as that. But guys, you want to make sure you check this out and see the difference when using Lucas Oil Stabilizer and ceratec. Can you really go wrong with either? Well, the only thing I know for sure is never take anyone's word for anything. And the ceratec, 30,000 miles, so it claims to last. Yeah, well, I'm not sure how that's going to work out, you know. It doesn't really specify. It says to do it with an oil change, you know, a fresh oil change. So I'm assuming that means what? Keep your oil in for 30,000 miles? Yeah, that's probably not something I would do, but if that's up your alley, maybe you guys can give it a try. And we're going to send it out to the lab and perform a test using these products and see what the lab tells us if we have the same results. So make sure you guys tell us what you think and what your experience has been with Liqui moly ceratec and Lucas Oil Stabilizer. I know it is a really great help. Thanks for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.